If you want to know how I got my butterfly locks in 20 minutes, sit down, grab your drinks, grab your popcorn, grab your soda, and continue watching. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith, and if this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, if this is your first time seeing this Omari Chanwa, this fine babe, you feel me? You are very welcome. And to my returning service, thank you for coming back. I definitely appreciate you guys. Yes, today I have a new video for you guys. I know definitely you guys already seen the title of the video. We'll be reviewing this beautiful butterfly locks right here on my hair, guys. Like, I love this hair. If you have never used butterfly locks, if you haven't tried it, then you need to try it. Go try it and thank me later. I got this hair from Kraler hair, so I am going to be leaving all their information on the description box, so definitely check them out. I got 6-pack of this hair, and I'm going to be leaving a clip on me getting the hair installed on my hair. And it is a crochet, guys. It is a crochet, very easy, so you don't have to sit down for hours getting the butterfly locks. You can just get this and you're good to go, and it's literally just the same. My friend that did the hair for me, that installed the hair, she does hair, and she literally said it. She said it's just the same hair, the same texture, everything is just an easier way to do it. I literally have gotten so much compliment from this hair, and I honestly love it. Like, it's just a whole vibe. Like, it's a whole vibe, and that is on a period. You feel me? I got 6-pack of the hair, and I used only 3.5 pack to do my hair, so I have more, and I'm going to be reusing it again. Honestly, I like the hair so much. It was very quick to install. I'm going to leave a video on the screen for you guys to see how I got my hair installed and everything. So yes, you guys will see that video right now. Like I said, guys, I really like the hair. I highly recommend it. I literally love it. It's very easy. I just wake up and I just go. I don't have to wear a wig. I don't have to worry myself. It's very easy. So, and this is very, very nice for the summer. You know, it's hot outside. You just you can swim with this, you can do a lot with this. So I really like it. I highly recommend it, guys. Also, I've been having this hair for 1 week, guys. I've been carrying this hair for 1 week. I got this hair done last week Friday, and today is Saturday, so 1 week and 1 day, and look at how good it still look. Like, it's still nice, it still looks good. Like, the hair is just everything, literally. I really like it. So definitely check them out. Get yourself these beautiful butterfly locks so you can be looking fine like me, like a fine babe. You know, 2021, we're about to be fine all year long for me. So yes, guys, that's basically it. That's basically the end of this video. Thank you so very much for stopping by and watching my video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you so very much, and turn on your post notification bell so you know whenever I post a new video. And like always, stay beautiful and stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video.